Top 5 Programming Languages for Beginners. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Graham Educational Channel. Today, we're talking about the top 5 programming languages for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch into tech, we're here to help you choose a language that's right for you. Let's get into it. Starting off with one of the most popular languages for beginners, Python. Python is known for its simple syntax, which closely resembles English, making it easy to read and write. It's used in a wide range of fields from web development and data science to artificial intelligence. Next up, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is essential for web development, allowing you to create interactive websites. Almost every website uses JavaScript in some way, and it's a skill that can make you highly employable. With JavaScript, you can make web pages interactive, and as you advance, you can explore popular frameworks like React and Angular. Plus, since it runs in browsers, you can start coding and testing right away. Third on the list is HTML and CSS. Alright, technically these are two separate languages, but HTML and CSS go hand in hand when you're learning web development basics. HTML is the structure of web pages, while CSS is used to style and design them. HTML and CSS are great for beginners because they're simple to learn and give you instant visual results. It's incredibly rewarding to see your code come to life on the screen. These two skills alone can help you create beautiful websites. Fourth on our list is Scratch. Scratch is a visual programming language developed by MIT, specifically designed to teach programming concepts in a fun and interactive way. Instead of typing code, you use blocks to build programs. Scratch is ideal for younger learners and anyone new to coding. You can create animations, games, and even simple applications without getting bogged down by syntax. It's a fantastic way to understand programming logic in a visual format. Finally, we have Java. Java has been around for a long time and is known for its write once, run anywhere principle. It's commonly used in Android app development, large-scale systems, and enterprise applications. Java is great for beginners who want to build a strong foundation in programming. It's a little more complex than Python or JavaScript, but learning Java gives you a solid base for understanding other languages in the future. And there you have it, our top 5 programming languages for beginners. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the comments which language you're excited to learn. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Keep coding, stay curious, and we'll see you next time on the Graham Educational Channel.